Working on Introduction to the Managerial Accounting course. So I'm going to show you, this is the playlist or a course now on YouTube where you can learn managerial accounting. Now I'm getting started in January 2026, so I'm building it along the way. So as you're working on your semester, if you're taking it in the semester spring of 2026, we'll kind of go along together on this managerial accounting. Hey, if you're new, my name is Jeff from Finally Learn. I teach a lot of financial literacy, accounting, financial skills, Excel, so on. So let's get started. Now, here's what I do I have a full playlist on financial accounting, a full playlist on managerial accounting. So let me show you the chapters, and it might be slightly different according to your textbook or whatever. So financial accounting, I'm going to abbreviate it FA. That's the financial accounting sequence or principles of accounting. And so we start with an introduction, and then chapter 2 is recording business transactions. That's the journal entries. Chapter 3 is all the adjusting entries and finishing the accounting cycle. We're doing financial statements at that point. Number 4, now this is a little bit different maybe than your textbook. We do time value of money, a full chapter on time value of money to make sure we know how this works, because it's going to save us a lot of problems later on if we know how to do Excel and the financial calculator, things like that. Chapter 5 is merchandising activity, so our sales and purchases and cost of goods sold. Chapter 6 is on cash and internal control. Chapter 7 is we go back and do inventory. This relates to cost of goods sold, so inventory, LIFO, FIFO. Chapter 8 is receivables and bad debts. Chapter 9 is long-term assets, so property, plant, and equipment. Chapter 10 is on current liabilities, so things like accounts payable, notes payable that are short-term, wages payable, income tax payable, so on. Then we have long-term liabilities, so long-term debt, bonds. And then chapter 12 is equity, so anything to do with issuing stock, common stock, preferred stock, dividends. So that is your financial accounting sequence or principles of accounting 1. So we're in managerial now, so you should know a little bit about all these topics now. So let's look at what the managerial accounting course is. Now, for my sequence, I put statement of cash flows as the first in managerial accounting. That might be at the end of financial accounting. That's fine. So that's why I've numbered it 1 through 12 and then 13 through 25. So you won't be confused. It's not like chapter 1 of managerial or chapter 12 of financial or whatever. So you'll see if you need a statement of cash flows, then grab it here in chapter 13. Now, managerial accounting also could be called cost accounting, management accounting, principles accounting 2. It's part of the full year sequence that all business majors have to take. Then in chapter 14, we'll do financial statement analysis. That's the ratios. And then the introduction really to managerial accounting. So 13 and 14 could go in the financial sequence or in the managerial sequence. But I've put them here in managerial accounting, so just so we're clear, so you know where that is. And then we're going through managerial accounting, job order costing, process costing, activity-based costing, cost volume profit analysis, and I will build all the way through chapter 25. I will build one big playlist that I'll use as a course. And here's what I'm doing with this playlist. I've got playlists for each chapter, so you can go back and look and just see how this works. But I'm building problems. I'm just going to do a lot of problems. I'm not going to do as much teaching of managerial accounting. I'm just do lots of problems. So you can, you can download the problems, and then you can take that problem and then work on it and then watch my video as a way to solve it. So this is going to be a problem-solving approach with managerial accounting to make sure you know how this works. So get started on the next video, and we'll see you there.